Alright, so you've run into the problem of broken off bolts in your cylinder head. This is an aluminum head off a Gen 4 LS 5.3 cathedral port head. This one has been exposed. This is the one I broke off. Each one of these other heads had their very back one broke off, so I don't know if somebody's had it apart before or not. So I'm going to show you how to fix it. All you need is a welder. I've got the little Hobart Handler 140. I don't have it hooked up to gas right now, so I'm just going to have to work on flux core. I do have it reversed so it'll work correctly. And what we're going to do is take this little nut and we're going to weld it right on top of here. That's going to give me something to hold on to, and it's going to heat this aluminum steel up. They expand at different rates, so it should help break it loose. So I'm going to spend a whole lot of time talking about it. Just going to get on with it. Get my helmet on here, get the welder fired up. Give it just a moment to You're not looking, are you? So just like that, right around it. Give it a second here for that heating action to take place. Boy, it like being in there. And just like that. Saved yourself a lot of heartache. I've done this several times. That's the easiest way I know how to do it. Now on the other side, with it broken off kind of down in there a little bit, we're going to do it slightly different. We're going to get another nut. We have our nut, but that's down in there. What we're going to do is start welding down in there and pull it out so that we can get this around it and then get the weld. This one's a little bit more difficult, so hopefully we can get it. A little bit of a tit up there on it. This is flux core, so I need to scrape some of my flux off. My wrench a little bit. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. You know you want to. And that's all it is. You could have done this with one of the little cheap flux core welders off from Amazon. Of course, that is one of my good wrenches I just welded to, so that's kind of sad. Yeah, come off. So instead of having to go to the machine shop and paying them to do that, You just done it yourself, bought you a new welder, so you can have it for other projects. So, you can do this. Have at it.